Capital investment is very critical. If we see in the current budget also, a lot of allocation is there. Now, one critical aspect of raising money is sovereign green bonds. And here, if we see these bonds, the money raised through these is to be invested in green projects. Now, what are green projects? That classification is already defined. Projects which have green character, for example, green transportation, green energy creation from solar, wind, and others, green transportation, green mobility, we can call, and all of those such kind of projects wherein the investments are happening. So these are the green projects wherein the money raised from SGB, the sovereign green bonds, can be put into. And a lot of ministries are related to energy creation and other things are seeking funds for their projects, green projects. For instance, we have nearly 32,000 crore of demand from Indian government ministries for putting in green projects. Now, the important thing here is that when we talk about investments in these projects, then yes, the financing is cheaper compared to the other corporate bonds or the government securities, because raising of money is also having that greenium, or the interest cost is lower, so that greenium benefits the financing of these projects. But it's also very important that these projects needs to show the green character, and establishing that green character, some methodology, taxonomy should be established and is being worked upon, so that objectively it can be stated that okay, this project is 80% green, investments is going, or 50% green, and accordingly the investments may be allocated. So that is one way of going ahead when we are talking about green financing. Secondly, Government of India is definitely open for foreign investments in these green financing, and while raising money through SGBs, and even the foreign institutional investors can put money here. So all of these are welcome, and money flowing into such projects. So a lot of funds are there, which are putting money in green projects. So funds coming into SGB and then going for the green financing, green projects, green financing of green projects is something which will take India to the transition what we are looking for to 2017 net zero. And even prior to that, a lot of targets what we have in terms of generating solar energy, more than 500 megawatt, and wind energy, and all of those. So transition to green economy and less carbon intensive economy is where we are heading, and this is something, a good push, great push. Over the last 3 years, we have seen how money is being flowing into green projects, and that is very welcome, and we are heading in that direction. The green character part is something which is being worked upon and needs to be strengthened, so that there is no misuse of these green financing to non-green projects. Thank you.